Initial land preparation requires high-precision grading machinery to establish a uniform surface across the vast desert expanse. Specialized stabilizers are injected into the substrate to prevent sand shifting and enhance the overall moisture retention. Deep subsoil ripping ensures adequate drainage and allows for future root penetration through the dense lower desert strata. Precision spreaders apply concentrated organic matter to transform sterile desert sand into a viable medium for cultivation.
Rotary tilling achieves a homogeneous mixture of sand and additives necessary for consistent crop development and growth.
Surface compaction is the final step in land readiness, securing the treated medium against harsh desert winds.
Raw seeds undergo a multi-stage cleaning process to remove all foreign debris and ensure high batch purity.
Gravity separation technology filters out non-viable seeds, ensuring that only the most robust biological material is processed.
High-speed optical sensors identify and remove defective seeds based on color and shape with extreme industrial precision.
A protective chemical coating is applied to the seeds to defend against soil-borne pathogens and boost germination.
Controlled drying prevents the seeds from clumping and ensures the chemical treatment adheres perfectly to each surface.
Vacuum sealing maintains seed dormancy and protects the integrity of the treatment during the storage and transit.
The treated seeds are transferred to pneumatic drills designed for high-precision delivery into the prepared desert soil. Mechanical seeders utilize compressed air to place seeds at exact intervals, optimizing the future use of space.
Integrated press wheels seal the planting furrows, ensuring the seeds are protected from exposure to direct sunlight.
Biodegradable mulch is applied to the rows to suppress moisture evaporation and stabilize the local soil temperature. Baseline moisture readings are recorded to calibrate the automated irrigation systems for the initial germination and growth.
The center pivot system provides a controlled water supply, essential for sustaining life in the extreme desert heat.
Fine mist nozzles distribute water gently to avoid surface crusting, which could impede the delicate carrot shoot emergence.
Uniform germination across the field confirms the success of the seed treatment and the land preparation stages. Continuous monitoring via aerial drones allows for real-time assessment of crop density and the overall plant health. Nutrient-rich fertilizers are injected directly into the irrigation stream, providing immediate sustenance to the growing carrot roots.
A network of buried sensors provides continuous data on soil hydration, allowing for the precise irrigation scheduling.
Regular manual inspections complement automated sensors to identify any biological threats before they can impact the yield.
Organic crop protection agents are applied to maintain a chemical-free environment while safeguarding the developing carrot roots.
As the carrots mature, the root crowns expand, indicating the accumulation of sugars and essential nutrient density. Atmospheric data is processed hourly to adjust the water delivery, compensating for high evaporation in the desert. Periodic soil analysis ensures that the fertigation program remains perfectly balanced for the specific carrot growth stage.
The contrast between the green crop and the desert dunes highlights the effectiveness of modern industrial reclamation.
Representative sampling confirms that the carrots have reached the required length and diameter for a successful harvest.
The harvesting phase begins with high-capacity machinery designed to extract carrots.
The foliage lifting method utilizes the strength of the greens to pull the roots from the desert sand. Integrated rubber flails remove excess sand from the carrots before they reach the secondary conveyor and sorting. Automated blades remove the greenery, returning organic matter to the soil while the roots continue to processing.
Continuous discharge into moving trailers ensures the harvesting operation maintains a high speed without any logistical delays. High-volume trailers collect the crop, providing the necessary capacity for the large-scale industrial desert farming operation.
Efficient row transitions minimize downtime, allowing for the complete harvesting of the sector within the designated window.
The first loads of the mature crop begin their journey from the desert field to the factory.
Coordinated logistics ensure a steady flow of raw product into the factory to maximize the plant efficiency.
The intake hopper uses water to cushion the carrots, preventing impact damage during the initial delivery stage.
Primary washing removes bulk sand and debris, preparing the carrots for the more detailed cleaning and polishing. Nylon brushes and high-pressure sprays remove deep-seated sand particles, ensuring a perfectly clean surface for the consumer. Rapid cooling preserves the crispness and nutritional content, extending the shelf life of the desert-grown carrot crop.
The electronic grader categorizes each carrot by dimensions and shape, ensuring that final batches are completely uniform. Automated gates divert the carrots into specific processing streams, optimizing the output for various market requirements. Secondary manual inspection ensures that only the highest quality product reaches the final packaging and distribution stages.
Removing surface moisture is critical to prevent bacterial growth and maintain the integrity of the plastic packaging.
Automated bagging units package the carrots into retail-ready formats with high-speed precision and consistent weight distribution. Multi-head weighers ensure that every package meets the exact weight specifications, reducing product giveaway and maximizing profit. Integrated metal detectors provide a final safety check, ensuring that the packaged product is safe for consumption.
Robotic case packers arrange the retail bags into shipping containers, ready for the final sealing and labeling.
Automated sealing machines secure the shipping boxes, providing the structural stability needed for the international transit. Each box receives a unique batch code for full traceability, linking the final product back to the field. Palletizing robots stack the boxes in a specific interlocking pattern to ensure the load remains stable during transport.
Stretch wrapping protects the pallets from moisture and shifting, maintaining the load integrity throughout the global supply chain. Finished pallets are staged in cold storage to maintain the temperature until the refrigerated transport vehicles arrive.
Final temperature checks confirm that the product is within the required range for the long-distance international shipment.
Refrigerated containers are positioned at the loading bays to receive the fresh carrots for the international distribution.
Efficient loading of the container maximizes space and ensures the airflow is maintained for the product cooling. The security seal is locked, marking the completion of the factory process and the start of export.
Detailed documentation accompanies every shipment, ensuring that all international trade and safety regulations are fully met.
The journey to the international port begins, moving the desert-grown carrots toward their final destination in world markets.
Reliable transport infrastructure is essential for the timely delivery of perishable agricultural goods across long geographic distances.
High-capacity port cranes transfer the containers onto specialized cargo vessels for the transoceanic phase of the journey.
The ship departs the port, beginning the maritime logistics leg that connects the desert farm to international customers.
Continuous power supply during the voyage ensures the refrigeration units maintain a stable temperature for the carrots.
Advanced navigation and tracking allow the logistics team to monitor the shipment's progress and the estimated arrival.
Arrival at the destination port marks the start of the local distribution phase for the imported produce.
Efficient offloading at the destination terminal ensures the product remains fresh and moves quickly to regional centers.
Verification of the temperature logs ensures that the cold chain remained intact during the entire ocean transit. The final leg of transport moves the carrots from the port into the heart of the consumer market.
Regional hubs facilitate the rapid sorting and dispatch of the product to individual retail and wholesale locations. Digital inventory tracking ensures that the carrots are rotated properly and delivered to stores with maximum freshness.
Last-mile delivery vehicles distribute the product to supermarkets, ensuring the carrots reach consumers in peak condition. Retail placement is the final step in the industrial journey from the remote desert fields to consumers.
Consumer selection confirms the market viability of carrots grown through advanced reclamation and industrial processing techniques.
The cycle continues as new land is surveyed and prepared for the next generation of desert cultivation.
Preventative maintenance of all equipment is necessary to withstand the abrasive nature of the desert sand environment. Industrial water recycling systems maximize resource efficiency, making the desert farming operation more environmentally and economically sustainable.
Renewable energy integration reduces the carbon footprint of the desert farm while providing a reliable power source.
Continuous scientific testing ensures the product consistently meets the highest nutritional and taste standards for international markets.
Thorough cleaning of the machinery prevents the cross-contamination of seeds and ensures the longevity of the equipment. The next batch of seeds undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it matches the required genetics for desert. Routine mechanical adjustments during the off-peak hours maintain the efficiency and safety of the carrot processing line.
Automation in the warehouse improves the speed of material handling and reduces the need for manual labor.
Comprehensive data analysis allows the management team to optimize the planting schedules and the resource allocation strategies. Expanding the irrigation infrastructure is a continuous process as more desert land is reclaimed for agricultural use.
Digital topography mapping provides the data necessary for the precision leveling required in the initial land preparation.
The repetitive process of leveling and stabilization ensures that every new hectare is ready for the crop.
Precise calibration of the packaging equipment allows for the rapid switching between different retail and wholesale formats.
Night shift operations ensure that the crop harvested during the day is processed and shipped without any delay.
Hygiene protocols extend to the transport fleet, preventing the introduction of contaminants from the field to factory.
Maintaining clean air within the seed processing plant is vital for protecting the biological integrity of seeds. A steady supply of packaging materials is managed to match the projected harvest volumes from the desert. Software optimization enhances the sorting speed and accuracy, ensuring the highest standards of the final product grading.
Strategic planning of the global supply chain is necessary to handle the massive seasonal output of carrots.
Each new day brings further expansion of the agricultural footprint within the once barren and sandy desert. The readiness of the treated seeds ensures that the planting phase can begin as soon as land. The integration of advanced technology across the entire supply chain makes desert carrot production a global success. The transformation of the desert environment into a productive agricultural hub is now a proven industrial reality.